Hi! I just wanted to share with you our winter storm that we're having right now. Look at this. It is blowing in. And this is what we get to wake up to. So I'm going to walk out here. Look down here, my feet. See my feet? There's snow. Oh my God. Look at this. This is walking in a winter wonderland. This is the street. And oh my God, is it coming in. So we're supposed to have, oh, they say 10 inches or so. I kind of think so. And if it's not here now, it's coming, but I sure think it is. Anyhow, I just wanted to share with you all this wonderful snowstorm that we're having. And I'm going back in where it's warm. Oops, maybe if I don't fall down. Look at this, oh my God, this is crazy. So, turn the camera on me for a second. Hello!